Hi, I'm Jyoti and my business is alomothelabel, which is a shapewear brand, and one of the best apps that I have on my Shopify store has to be PageFly. Before using PageFly, it was so hard for me to design a website. I couldn't really get it to look the way I wanted to look or really make my vision come to life until I started using PageFly. It gave me so much creative freedom. And even if you don't have a lot of experience with building a website or anything like that, don't worry, because PageFly has so many templates that you can use in all different types of aesthetics, so it doesn't really matter what type of business you have. And the customer service is amazing. Any issue or any problem that you run into, the customer service is there for you to provide any help that you need, and they're quick, which is the main thing. Like, you can get response like within minutes. And ever since I've been using PageFly, it gave me so much like engagement and sales, and the customer experience has been amazing, and I've been getting so many good reviews after I've been using PageFly. So if you do want to elevate your business to the next level, I definitely recommend checking out PageFly.